Mama. Good boy. Mama.
No, dragon, no. Dragon, sweetie. What do you want? Tell mommy, what do you want? Go out? You want to go out, sweetie? Really? It's cold. You can't go out. Big boy? Dragon. What's... Yeah. Okay. Okay. What more? What do you want more? Huh? Huh? No, we're not going out. No, we're not going out. No. Dragon, so what do you want now? You already ate your egg. Dragon, what do you... Huh? What do you want? Tell mommy. What? You're being so cute right now.
야, 오늘 즐거웠어? 알았어.
These furry kids don't ever leave me alone. Wherever I go, here they are. I can't stand there anymore. Please, leave me alone, kids.
Where is Dragon? Dragon, where are you? Dragon, where are you? Dragon. Dragon, where are you, Dragon? Dragon? Dragon, where are you? Dragon? Dragon, where are you? Dragon? Oh, there you are, sweetie.
Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. Is it... We're gonna go now, okay? In a few minutes. Can you wait? Can you wait, please? Little bit? Don't complain, we will go out now. Wait. Your dad is coming and we go, okay? Few minutes. You don't have patience. Not even a little bit. Too much complaints for a small puppy. I understand. We go now in few minutes, okay? Okay? Don't cry.
Talk to mommy, sweetie. Talk to mommy. What do you want? We just got out. What do you want? Tell mommy. You want treats? Yeah? Yes? Oh, okay. How many? Lots? Do you want lots? Yes? Okay. You behave, Dragon? Okay. Yeah, let me get it, okay? Dragon?